Be ready? Start. Sir, I have been hearing the members' views about electoral reforms based on the resolution moved by the Honorable Member Stop. Basically, this resolution deals with the postponement of elections by the Election Commission during the recent elections. Stop. From the postponement of these elections, the mover of the resolution suggests that we should go in for electoral reforms. Stop. The other members who have spoken have also given some valuable suggestions for the proposed electoral reforms. Stop. We from the Congress party are committed for electoral reforms which will enable the voter to reflect his views and elect proper candidates who he would like to get into power. Stop. I agree with some of the suggestions made by the honorable members. Stop. From the days we have seen a number of elections. Stop. Broadly, except one or two elections, the choice of our voters has been correct. Stop. They have been choosing the right party which did good to the people. Stop. Most of them are poor, but still they have been going in the right direction. Stop. Democracy in the country has been established and is going to continue in this country. Stop. But from the experience from elections to election, we have to think of some changes so that the will of the people will prevail. Stop. Stanza. We have just now heard Mr. Subramaniam Swamy how there was a postponement in the last election when Sri Rajiv Gandhi was murdered. Stop. There was a dispute about the period of nearly 20 days postponement. Stop. It booked as if it was like a second election. Stop. Over. Dictation from Legal Matters 250 words at the speed 100 WPM. Important outlines are given at the end of the dictation.